Hello everyone, welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Harshita Alveli. Today we have Raksha Jain with us, who's from Gangavati, Karnataka, and she got placed in Momentive recently. So she is here to share her experience with us. Let's talk to her and get to know about the entire interview process in detail. Hi Raksha,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thanks for asking.
Yes, firstly we would like to congratulate you for getting placed in Momentive, Raksha.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so could you please tell more about yourself, Raksha?
Yeah, sure. So this is Raksha, and I'm a polymer science graduate from SJC College, Mysuru, with an overall CGPA of 8.97. So more about me, I'm a person who believes in doing the best in whatever I take, and my free time activities include playing badminton and craft, etc. And more about my family. My parents are from Gangavati, so even I stay here. So more about that. More about them. My dad is a cloth merchant, and my mom is a homemaker. Then apart from that, I was a part of Quant Masters a year ago, I guess. So I was in batch 5. So I think it's because of Quant Masters that I am placed. I'm placed it because at this company called Momentive. Like I got it through LinkedIn. Like due to this COVID and all, our college didn't have so many on-campus recruitments. So which is why I applied through LinkedIn and I got in there. So Momentive is a global leader of quartz and silicon. So being a polymer science student, I've been looking for a company which is core, which is my own company, which is related to my field. So that being that, so Momentive, my role in Momentive is like a research assistant. So
Okay.
I'll be working under scientists for silicon based formulations, then analyzing the results, performing experiments and all. So this kind of fun, and which is actually chemistry is something which fascinates me. So this
Correct.
is what
That
I've
sounds
been.
very interesting. Something completely different from
Yes,
others, right?
yes,
Yeah. And what's the exact package, Raksha?
yeah. So but talking about package, it is a 4 LPA for per year, but
Yeah.
after a year or something there will be increment and all.
Okay, okay. Super, super. So, yeah. When did you apply for Momentio, Raksha? Do you remember the date or something?
I don't remember the date exactly, but then I applied for I think in the month of August or something.
August 2021, right?
Yes, August 2021, ma'am. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So August 2021, I applied, and then after I think after applying, I guess after a week or something, I don't remember the exact date. I got a call from the company telling that my resume has been shortlisted. So thanks to Quant Master, their resume making tips and the interview tips, HR interview, HR mock interview, then aptitude sessions, and etc. have been very helpful for them. Very helpful for me to crack interview, as well as I got the confidence to face it.
Correct. Okay. So, yeah. Then what was the first round?
Ma'am, so first round was a technical screening, ma'am. It was just, to know like if I have the subject knowledge or no.
Okay.
So yeah, so that was checked. So I mean, they asked me very basic questions on what
So
I've
that was
studied.
a face-to-face interview.
Yes, ma'am. It was face to face. Yeah.
Okay. Your resume got shortlisted, and the first round was face-to-face
A
interview.
technical screening. Yes, ma'am. Face to
Yeah.
face only. It was
Okay.
technical screening. After which, after giving the technical screening, I think in an hour or something, I got a call telling that I have been selected for this round and selected for the next round. So
Mm-hmm.
the next round was technical interview. It is pure technical. It was about 1 hour or something. So
Okay.
full technical questions were asked. I had to be confident. I had to have a deep knowledge of subject matter. Then all etc, and those things, then I had to be more confident. I think in interview we have to be confident, right? So
Right.
all of this I got it from a Quant Masters, I can say. Yeah.
Okay. So what kind of questions were asked?
So to me, the questions were asked more about polymers. Like I'm polymer science, right? So more about chemical engineering, more about what I've studied, like polymer testing. More it was there are questions were asked about my project, like
Okay.
what I've did in my final year project, like how did I overcome if I have any face challenges, then if I could work in a team or no, those kind of things
Okay.
were asked.
Okay. So this went on for an hour.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, yeah, it included. I mean, there are 3 panelists.
Okay.
So So each of them, posed few questions, like few were actually kind of HR questions also, like I told you,
Okay.
challenges faced and all.
Hmm. Okay, so yeah, when this did this second round happen?
Second round happened 2 days after technical screening, I guess.
Okay, okay, just 1 or 2 days. You didn't have to wait for long.
No, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So when did you get to know that? Like one more round was there, or that was the
Yeah, so
last?
after technical screening, there was a HR round.
Okay,
HR round was for about half an hour, ma'am.
okay,
Yeah, so that was again after, I think the next day, right after the next day of technical interview. So when I cleared technical interview, I got a call telling that I've been selected for HR round. It is the next third round.
okay.
So there I was, basically, tested my people skills and how I could, respond the way they asked and all.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, HR round was, I mean, I think I could tackle HR round, how to be honest, not just because I could, I attended mock interview here.
Okay,
So in HR round, I mean, the generally questions asked about your personality. They want to see how you are and how how do you deal with the things and all.
correct.
So HR round was quite general, ma'am.
You could manage.
Yes, ma'am, I
It
could
was
do it.
simple.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then you had one more round.
Actually, after HR round, this is final round about discussing about the job role and all. That was
Okay.
quite about like 10 to 15 minutes. That's it.
The HR. You're talking about the HR
No,
round.
no, no. After
There's one
HR
more
round,
round
there was
after
one
it.
more round, a final round.
When did that happen?
That I think the next day after that. I
Okay.
don't, okay, so that I remember the day exact. It was 15th of September. So I got selected in the month of August, like
Mhm.
shortlisted in the month of August, and then the final round was in the month of like September 15th, I guess.
Okay.
So in that span.
That's the final round. So final.
Yes.
When did you get to know that you are shortlisted?
I got where I got to know when I selected when there's final round, right? So they discussed more about the job role.
Okay.
So that's where I got to know that I was
Actually
selected.
selected.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Super. So that was the entire interview process, and nowhere aptitude questions were asked, right?
Aptitude actually was asked, ma'am, like not direct aptitude questions were asked, but they kind of like in the technical, as I told you, technical interview or something, like some kind of questions were asked.
Logical questions, kind.
Logical questions were asked.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. So that was the entire interview process.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So do you have any tips or suggestions to your friends and juniors, Raksha?
I would say that, like, see, many people, what happened, what they do is they could clear easily technical round where they actually stuck is HR round. So I
Yeah.
would suggest you to, attend mock interviews by Quant Master, which is really helpful. Please don't miss it. And apart from that, I would say that practice as much as you can, because once you know how much amount of time is required for practicing, you wouldn't want to waste that in actual interview process. So
Correct.
be more confident, then attend interviews, and that's it, I guess you could do it.
Okay, super. And since you are a student of Quant Masters, would you like to share how was your experience with Quant Masters, Raksha?
Okay, so actually, there's one of my friend who joined Quant Master. She was in batch 4.
Uh-huh.
So she suggested me like take that time I was in the third year of my engineering.
Okay.
So she told me that it will be very helpful for you. I'm very sure I'll get placed. So just join this Quant Master. It has good reputation and all. So then I actually searched in Google and all. Then I got to know that the reviews are really good. So I thought just take it right. And actually the fee is affordable, and the sessions were flexible, wherein I can. It was
Was the
actually
recorded
yeah,
sessions?
recorded sessions were available. Then also it suited my class, what do you say, college timings and all. So I thought let's
Yeah.
just take it. So after joining Himanshu sir is just amazing. I think because of sir, I am here today. So sir's sessions, sir's the way of teaching, sir's motivational sessions are really important. So yeah, I used to attend because I was not from a technical background, like not CS and IT, so I didn't focus much on that.
Mm-hmm.
But I would say if you're looking for IT companies, I would say just take that, take it for, because I think it's affordable, right?
Yeah.
So yeah. So I would attend. I used to be regular, ma'am. I didn't miss any of the classes. Once or twice, if I miss, I would watch the recording right then. So that, and I think sir also conducts like puzzle, right? Every after the class or something. So I also won for a puzzle or something. Then
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
that
Nice,
was
nice.
fun. Yeah.
Super. And one last question, Raksha, would you suggest Quant Masters to your friends and juniors?
Definitely. Yeah, yeah, sure. Anyone who wants to, get placed in their dream company, any company want to get placed, I would suggest you to please join Quant Masters.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Raksha. And also, thanks for being here, sharing all the information with us. I'm sure students who are watching this will find it very helpful.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Yeah,
Yes.
thank you,
And
ma'am.
once again, congratulations. I wish you
Yeah,
all the
thank
very
you.
best, Raksha.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Quant Masters.